Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today, along with Dory's Dollies, we're doing a challenge put out to you for Barbie DIY and DIY prop, that is, and a cute little prop that Darren made for my little yoga Barbie that does her yoga in the park is this cute little cooler that he 3D printed. I absolutely love this. When I was a kid, my dad had a cooler this color, and we used to have big barbecues at our house, and it would be full of beer and soda to the top. Darren, was this your own pattern?
Nope, that was a Thingiverse pattern.
This is a Thingiverse pattern, so there you go. Anybody that has a 3D printer can print these up. Look on Thingiverse for that model, and your dolls can enjoy it too. And a lot of times Darren does things in different sizes if you wanted to make that for a different size doll. I hope today you also have a Barbie that you're showing off. If you do, would you please let us know in the comments? Not just Dory and I in our comments, but to every video you go today that has a Hi Barbie video up. Let them know that you too have your Barbie video up, and that way we can all go by one another's and see them, and it just makes it more fun. Thank you, Dory, for yet another wonderful, fun Barbie video month. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe to every channel you visit today.